Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing another wig from Hairvivi. Do you know what, yeah? I should have my own wig line with them because the way that I've been reviewing their wigs is like, come on. This I think is now my top 3, Hairvivi. I just love how they've got the new method of just putting on your wig and going. So this is the wig here. So apparently they have changed up they've got like a new way of how they do their wig cap method. This is a new improved way. So what I've got here is like an ombre kind of highlighted brownish kind of wig. I love the colour of this. I think it complements my skin so well. Let me just try this on quickly. Ooh, I'm excited! Loving this, yes. So this is the wig scalp that I definitely would need. I did a hair review for them before. I think it's like the previous one, and the scalp was a bit too light. So this is the defo thumbs up. The hairline is very nice also. Again, if you want to, you can pluck it more, which if I was in the mood I would, but I'm one of those people that you put on wigs just to get on and you go out the door. So yeah, I don't think I'll be doing any plucking today. I'll show you inside again. So you've got the wig cap already on, which is no cap needed, no plucking needed, no bleaching needed. Everything is done for you, literally. And then you've got also, look, even this is done for you. This, come on now sis, this is the worst thing. I hate, this is why I never sew on these elastic bands, because I hate doing it. But look, already on for you. An adjustable strap at the back also for extra security. Pop this baby on and go. You don't need any powder because obviously the fake scalp method is already there. Oh, love it. Okay, so I cut the lace off with my razor. I need to get a new one, those really sharp ones, but I got it with this because I find that when you cut it with this, it's kind of like makes like a jagged edge. Let me try and see if I can show you. It makes more of like a rough edge, so it's not, because my hairline goes like this round. If I cut it how my hairline is, it will literally look wiggy. Literally. One I bought like bold hold because I wanted to try it. Can I find it? No. Where is it gone? That was a good £16. Are you mad? So unless it was Ghost Bond, one of the two. I just don't know which one it is. It cost me like over £20 and I've lost it, so I'm gonna have to buy another one. I think I'm going to use a bit of spray, a little bit at the front. Like that. I find that using this fan here instead of heat, it doesn't dry like white. Okay, so let me just show you this parting space and how you can part it, like parting, no powder needed, just side. But I want a middle part today, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go through just a bit more waves and then go in with my hot comb. I don't think I want it poofy at the top. I think I want it kind of like... I'm not in that mood, you know. Just want it a bit flat, me. That's all I want. Yeah. Careful, Gabs. Don't want to burn yourself now, girl. I don't know if I should cut some layers, but I'm carrying on like I know even how to cut layers. I think this would look really cute with some layers, you know. Like, can I do that? No, I can't. What a shame. And with some wand curls just here, just to do something, you know, give this hair a bit of sass. I love this curl. Look at this. Oh, that is such a pretty curl. Love it. So I'm gonna go in a bit bigger because ain't nobody got time to be curling the whole hair. I certainly haven't. This wig is pretty. I can imagine it in the sun. A bit of brown, can't go wrong. Okay, I've done some curls. I'm going to comb that out. Like, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. I really like it, and it feels like you have nothing on your head either. This is really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. All the specs of this hair will be listed down below, but I do know that they have improved their fake scalp method. The ends are nice. To say that they've bleached it as well, the ends are beautifully soft, so can't go wrong with this. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. If you've got any questions, then please comment them down below. The specs of the hair, like I said, will be down below also. Click in the description box. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.